Want to add chapters to YouTube video? In this video, I will show you two methods on how you can add chapters. The first one is automatic. For that, open up any web browser and head over to youtube.com. Now click on your profile icon and select the option of YouTube Studio. Once you're here, select content. Now click on this pencil icon to edit. Then scroll down and then click on the show more option. Now you should find the option of automatic chapters. Check the box that says allow automatic chapters and key moments, then click on the save option. Next thing you want to do is click on the settings option over here, then click on upload defaults. Now select advanced settings. Here as well, check the box that says allow automatic chapters and key moments, then click on the save option. Now if you want to add chapters manually, then in the description, add a list of timestamps and titles. Make sure that the first timestamp you list starts with 00:00. Your video should have at least 3 timestamps listed in ascending order. The minimum length for video chapters is 10 seconds. Now click on the save option. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.